Hey, it is once again time for the Law on You with the Area's Premier Attorneys, Greg Fellerman and Molly Clark. Today's question, especially around the holidays, is tough, especially if Tanya is out of work. So let's get right into it. You're out in Hazleton and you wrote, I slipped in a restaurant kitchen when the staff didn't clean up a spill, and now I'm dealing with a broken wrist. What can I do?
Oh, Tanya, I'm sorry that happened to you. It actually happens very often, though. It actually happened to me when I was waiting tables 100 years ago. But there's lots you can do. I also broke my wrist, so strange happenstance. But anyway, there's lots you can do. You will have a workers' compensation claim, right? If you were, obviously if you're the waitress at the place and you're in there and you fall, they have a duty to keep it safe for you. And when you get injured on the job, you can have a workers' compensation claim. So I hopefully you reported it or someone saw it, there was witnesses, your boss knows, because then if you're out of work now because you have a broken wrist, you're probably out of work, they will cover your wage loss and medical benefits. So if you want to give us a call, we could walk you through it.
Yeah, and then in the situation where you're not working and the store creates the danger, we've had a bunch of these cases too, where they make a spill, a patron falls, they're responsible. Obviously, they have a little bit of time to clean it up, but once they create that spill, they're on the hook. So I think, restaurants, same thing. We all talked all you got to keep your places safe. You have people that are coming, they're business invitees, they're owed the highest duty of care, meaning you're going to have a safe place. That includes the bathrooms, the hallways, anywhere in that restaurant. And I think a lot of times restaurants get busy, they forget about it, people slip and fall. And that's good for Molly because that keeps her busy at work.
I just assumed she was in the kitchen. So
you made this question about you.
It was a waitress.
You were living it. It was a nightmare for you.
Well, you can't just go in the kitchen and
Are you Tanya? No. If you wanted your question answered, just visit the websites or give the hotline a call.